In this tutorial, we're making our DearPyGui app more interactive by allowing users to show or hide specific parts of the interface. We start with two functions, toggle window. This function controls the visibility of the extra window. First, it checks, is the window with the tag toggle window currently visible? If it is visible, we call dpg.hideItem to make it disappear from the interface. If it's hidden, we use dpg.showItem to bring it back. Toggle button visibility. This works the same way, but instead of controlling a whole window, it targets the button inside that window using the tag toggle button. Then in our main window, we add two control buttons, show hide window linked to toggle window, toggle button show hide linked to toggle button visibility. When we click the first control button, the entire toggle window appears or disappears. When we click the second control button, only the toggle button inside that window is shown or hidden without affecting the rest of the window. Now we create the toggle window, giving it the tag toggle window so we can easily show or hide it with our functions. Inside this window, there's a single button labeled toggle button, and it also gets its own tag toggle button so we can control its visibility separately. Finally, we set up the viewport with a title toggle button show hide example, a width of 400 and a height of 300, so we can run and see everything in action. When we run the application, the first button in the main window will toggle the entire toggle window on and off. The second button will only toggle the visibility of the toggle button inside that window. So in real time, we can hide or show the window itself or just the button inside it, giving us full control over the interface with just 2 clicks. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Python GUI tips and DearPyGui tutorials.